In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bands, which stand for Big Ass Numbers, for your dashboards. Whether you're new to data visualization or a seasoned pro looking to enhance your dashboards, this tutorial will walk you through the process in just a few simple steps, lasting only around 5 minutes. First, you'll want to open the Tableau app on your device. Tableau is a powerful tool designed for data visualization, and it's the foundation for our work here today. Make sure you have it installed and ready to go. Once your Tableau app is up and running, you'll need to select a workbook. Your workbook is essentially the container for your data and visualizations, so be sure to choose the one that contains the data you want to highlight with a big-ass number. Next, it's time to create a band sheet. Think of this sheet as a blank canvas where we'll paint our big, bold, and eye-catching number. Go ahead and open a new sheet in your Tableau workbook. Now, it's all about defining what number you want to showcase. This could be anything from total sales, users, or whatever key metric is essential for your business or project. Use Tableau's built-in functionalities to select and extract this number from your data source. The next crucial step is formatting this number because, well, we want it to really stand out. Tableau gives you some nifty options to customize the font, size, and color of the numbers, ensuring that the band aligns with your dashboard style and grabs the viewer's attention right away. Go through these customization options until you arrive at a look that speaks to the core message you're trying to highlight. With your formatted band ready, the final step is to add it to your dashboard. In Tableau, this is done by dragging the band sheet into your existing dashboard layout. Make sure it fits within your design, taking into account other elements already present on your dashboard. Remember, placement can be as important as the number itself. Position it strategically so that it draws the user's eye immediately. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to creating big-ass numbers for your dashboards using Tableau. This approach will help you pinpoint and emphasize essential data points, making your dashboard not only informative, but also visually appealing. Whether you are analyzing trends, tracking performance, or wanting to make a key point, these bands serve as an impactful tool to convey your message powerfully. So grab your data and start creating your band today.